Welcome to Soft Reviewed. In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can create logo sting or logo animation using this software. As you can see, this can do a lot of things. Logo animation is just a small part of what this can do. And the best part is that this is available on a lifetime deal. So you pay once and you can use it forever. And yeah, you can even export your videos in 4K quality and you can export it unlimited number of times, and this is a desktop app. I'll have the link in the description if you want to check this out. So let's get started. Since this is a beginner tutorial, I will be showing you how you can get a template from the software and you can edit it to make it your own so that you can add your logo for the logo animation. In order to get started, all you need is just click here to start from scratch. Then you will be taken to this section and you can just click on the scenes icon and you can just type in. As you can see, they have like lot of templates for different use cases. So yeah, for this video we'll focus on logo. So just type in logo there, and as you can see, it will load up all the animations that they have. And we can use all of these except for the one that's crowned. This is for the monthly payment, but for lifetime deal you can use all these templates. So there are like different logos here. So let's customize this. If you already don't have it, you just need to click on this download button. That will download it to your local system. Then you can just drag it and place it on your canvas. As you can see, now I have it on my canvas. And if I move the playhead, as you can see, this will reveal my logo like that. So just in order to edit it, it's really easy. Just click on this template and it will open up this section where we can add our details. Maybe we can add our website. You can add your logo. So you just click on this replace button, and I already have my logo here. I just clicked it, and as you can see, instantly that logo got swapped. And if I just click here again, I can come back here and yeah, just click here again and just change the name, just like soft, whatever your company name, and I can also change my website to. That's it. If you want, you can change the background to anything that you want by clicking on this replace button. And if you want to adjust the scale of this, you can definitely do that playing with the slider here. And yeah, you can also adjust the position and height by playing with this as well. As you can see, you can place it wherever you want on the screen. So I'll just paste it here just like that. Let me just, I can keep it here. And now, so yeah, once you are okay, you can just click on publish. Before that, when you are ready to actually export this video, you just need to click on this save button, and that will save this project logo, and just click on save. That will save the project like that. Now just need to click on publish, and as you can see, you can export just the audio, export it as an image, and export it as a video. And you in video also you have three formats: mp3, webm, and mov. If you select any of these webm and mov, you will have the option to export it as a transparent file. Maybe if you want a transparency like a reveal or something like that, you can just turn on this transparency here. You can just click on transparent and just select the output, and let's give it a name, logo soft. Just give any name and just click on save. And as you can see, it will be exported to our local machine, and you can start working on your other projects as well while this is loading. So that's not a problem. Unlike other software editors, you can work while it's exporting. So that's also like a good feature to have. And we have like other logos as well. Let me just show you this as well. If I just click on delete this, and if I just drag it here, as you can see, this is like a magnifying glass effect. So if I just click here, as you can see, the same options available here. I'll just click on this button and it will show my logo here. And if I want, I can change any of these colors, like the overlay color, glass color. So if I just see, the final output look like this. Suppose if I want to change the background color, I can just click on this And as you can see different colors, right? So you just need to, you can drag to the color that you want and just select it. And as you can see, instead of that green color, you have that black color. So that's how it works. And if I just play this, so it's that easy to create like logo animations. The video is complete and you can open that video by clicking on this button and it will open that file for you. And this is that file. So we cannot directly play it. It's an MOV file with a transparent background. So you need to open your video editor. For example, I'm using Camtasia and it supports like alpha channels. You can drag the video just like this onto the timeline. And when you place your playhead on top, you can see the video getting animated and you can see your logo. So you can just now add your actual footage just beneath it so that it will see that transparency and we'll get that smooth transition. So I'll have this in the beginning of this video so that you can see how this looks like. If you need more in-depth tutorial on how to do this from scratch, you can just click on exit and now you can come here on the front page and you just click in here on tutorial. Then it will open up like a browser and here you can see their in-depth tutorials on almost all of these use cases here. And they also have a YouTube channel where you can go in and learn a lot more related to how to use this software to the fullest. I have like in-depth review and where I go through all of the features. If you want to check that out, I have that in the end card as well. And don't forget to check the link in the description where you can claim your lifetime deal as well. So I hope this video was informational. If you liked it, please don't forget to share and subscribe for more future videos. Again, thank you for watching. Have a great day.
With software smooth and AI tough, don't forget to share the love. Hit that button, rise above. Every click, every share grows the dream. Soft reviews your future gleam.